With your Amazon Fire TV Cube, you can easily cast or screen mirror your Android phone or tablet to your TV easily. Here's how to get connected. So first you have to make sure your Fire TV Cube and your Android phone or tablet are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now on your Fire TV Cube, just go to Settings, then Display and Sounds, and select Enable Display Mirroring and leave that screen open. Next, on your Android device, open the Quick Settings panel, and here you can go for Smart View, Cast, or whatever casting option is available on your device. So you should now see your Fire TV Cube in the list of available devices. Just select it and tap Connect. So now you have to wait a few moments while the connection is established. And here you go. Your Android phone screen should now appear on your TV, allowing you to enjoy videos, photos, apps, games, and more on the big screen. So if you're using an Android tablet, just follow the same steps to connect and start screen mirroring. And finally, when you're done, just simply press the back button or the home button on your Fire TV remote to stop screen mirroring. And that's all. Let us know your experience in the comments, and thanks for watching.